paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make an Indian Lord Devi today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we will require our sketch pen. Why don't we start by making points in the center of the paper? Yes, these are the points which we have to join in order to create a beautiful drawing. Also, wishing all of you a very happy Dhanteras. Did you know that Dhanteras is the first day that marks the festival of Diwali? At first, you can take your pencil and start drawing this. And if you're confident enough, you can also draw it with your sketch pen. Make sure you use a black sketch pen for the same. Let's try creating a beautiful eye. After that, let's make the beautiful nose and then the nose ring. Once we are done with that, we will make the beautiful lips and then the eyeballs. And now comes the ear part. Well, this is a fancy drawing. Hence, it is not going to look exactly like our body parts. This looks so beautiful. Why don't we start making her crown with orange color? Well, yes, we will make this with zigzags. After that, why don't we give a beautiful circle on top of it? And then create a flower in the middle. You can try your own designs or follow whatever we are doing here. Now, it's time for us to make a beautiful doodle design inside this lower part of the crown. Let's create a beautiful doodle. Here, we are making 3 curves and coloring the insidemost portion. Once we are done with that, why don't we use our pink color or any other color to create our own doodle? This looks lovely. You can also try creating your own doodle. Let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Lovely. Now, for this part, we will make standing lines. Also, you can create another design of your choice for the beautiful jewelry. Let's start coloring this nicely. Well, why don't we do it together? Let's make a beautiful crown. And well, we're done with a beautiful drawing. Wishing you a very happy Diwali. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.